So today's video I'm going to talk about blossom end rot from tomatoes, and right here guys I'm going to bring it up close. That's the bottom of a tomato. So basically I have a green tomato here. Yeah, it just looks really weird. And then I'm going to show you guys that even like if it's getting red to orange, it still could be like have the end rot. It's a quick video guys, why and how to treat this problem really quick. So basically guys, end rot for your tomato plant could be due to calcium. If your tomato plant doesn't have a lot of calcium, that could be the problem, because calcium actually helps the tomato. The tomato skins the layers and build a stronger, firm tomatoes, especially from the end rot. And another problem could be if your plant has calcium and it's still getting end rot, it could be the water too. Most of the time, including myself, we have to be careful because we do give the tomato plant less water, and because of it doesn't have enough water to help the calcium absorb to the root and taking the calcium to the tomato, that could be the problem too. So make sure your soil is now like too dry for several days. Make sure you give your plant some water. You don't have to give it a lot of water, just just a little bit, enough to help the calcium go up and take care of this problem. And you could get calcium from adding eggshells to your compost, lime, or some kind of organic plant food. I'm gonna leave a couple links in the description box below so you guys could check it out. Also guys, you could add some fertilizer. Adding a little extra nitrogen to the plant will help too. That's a big boost. But definitely calcium. Calcium is one of the main problem that I had. I'll show you guys right here. So these cherry tomatoes, I had a couple problems with them of end rots too, but so far they're doing good. So I did add a bunch of calcium to the root, and I did increase the water back a little bit, so all the plants is definitely there's no end rots going on here, so that's pretty good. As I showed you guys before, all these plants, you can see the bottoms pretty good. The skin is thick, really nice. Oh, so you really gotta be careful when you touch these guys. They come right off. I'm gonna go cry right now. No, I'm kidding. So he came off. It's fine. So look back here. I do have a bunch of red ones I'm gonna be picking. And as you guys could see, treating your plant with some calcium, doing some your pruning, and you could water every couple days. But if you do have the blossom end rot, you will want to make sure you're on point with your water. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick these red tomatoes out. So guys, basically if your tomatoes getting a black at the bottom or rotten at the bottom, is the blossom end rot. Definitely, as I said guys, increase your calcium, and definitely increase your water a little bit. And if that doesn't help, add some fertilizer, increase the nitrogen, and definitely prune your plant a little bit. Pruning your tomato plant will help a lot, and you wouldn't get this problem so much. And every day I like to come in and pick a couple red tomatoes off. The reason why I pick the red tomatoes off, guys, because the plant already used a lot of energy to make these red, and instead of using more energy or having them go bad, I just rather the plant use all the rest of the energy into the green tomatoes and make them red. Check in my description box below guys. I'll leave all the details and steps so you guys could read and follow the steps. And also if you're new to my channel guys, please don't forget to subscribe and give thumbs up for my videos. 100% free. And stay tuned for more garden tips from Greentgarden. Let's grow some red delicious tomatoes and not lose our tomatoes guys.